Meet the Fitbit Charge 5, a sleek fitness tracker with an AMOLED display, built-in GPS, and advanced heart rate tracking. It helps you monitor workouts, stress, and sleep all in one device.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Fitbit Charge 5 fitness tracker, additional large band, charging cable,
And user manual.
How to pair. To set up the Fitbit Charge 5, download the Fitbit app, sign in with your Google or Fitbit account, and enter your personal details. Turn on Bluetooth, select the Charge 5 in the app, and allow the required permissions for pairing. Enter the code shown on the tracker, complete the on-screen instructions, and your Fitbit Charge 5 will be ready to track fitness, sleep, heart rate, and notifications. How to charge. To charge the Fitbit Charge 5, use the official magnetic charging cable included in the box. Connect the USB-A end to a power source such as a wall adapter, computer, or power bank, then align the magnetic charger with the gold charging pins on the back of the tracker. Once properly attached, the Charge 5 will automatically start charging and the battery percentage will appear on the screen.
Smart features?
Built-in GPS tracks your pace, distance, and workout routes without needing your phone nearby. It provides accurate outdoor activity data for running, walking, hiking, and cycling sessions. AMOLED color display delivers bright, sharp visuals with vibrant colors for easy viewing day or night. The responsive touchscreen makes it simple to navigate stats, notifications, and fitness features. 24/7 heart rate monitoring continuously tracks your heart rate throughout the day and during workouts. It helps monitor calorie burn, exercise intensity, resting heart rate, and overall fitness performance. Stress management and EDA sensor measures your body's stress responses using the built-in EDA scan feature. It helps you understand stress levels and supports relaxation with guided breathing sessions and wellness insights. Advanced sleep tracking monitors light, deep, and REM sleep stages throughout the night. It provides a daily sleep score to help you understand and improve your sleep quality and recovery.
Specifications. Safety precautions.
Want to grab the Fitbit Charge 5 fitness tracker from Amazon?
Just tap on the link in the description below.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Fitbit Charge 5 fitness tracker. See you at the next one.